Hello, my friends. It's Beth here. How to write a professional email. We are doing business writing this week, and for your form assignment, I'm asking you to write emails. So, let's figure out how to do it. I know that you probably don't write that many emails in your own life. You probably depend on text. But for business purposes, text don't really work. And also, you want the paper trail here. So before you begin, know who you're writing to. I say here, choose your tone accordingly. Casual, more formal. Do you know them? Do you not know them? What's the purpose? Are you reporting, complaining, praising? And what result do you want? Do you want them to fix something? Do you want them to say, yay, good for you? Are you just reporting information? Subject line, never send a business email unless there is something in the subject. Otherwise, it probably won't get read. People are busy, they are swamped with emails, and they don't have time unless you're showing them exactly why they need to read it. I've given you some examples here. The last one, concerns about class. I promise you I will read it fast. Salutation, the greeting, maybe just hi. I sometimes put good morning, mainly because I want to point to the fact I'm getting to this quickly during the day. I would not be funny here unless you know them. We go back up to whether you're going to be casual or formal, and it's your choice as to whether you want to add the I see a lot of people say have a good day, hope you're doing fine, hope you're healthy, especially during the pandemic. I don't know what I think about that. Yes or no? Takes up space. Body of the email, concise and to the point. Identify yourself if the reader might not know you personally. Don't just say you're a student of the teacher's. The teacher might be teaching 3 courses. Say what course you're in. Explain who you are. State your information. Request with all the needed details. Closing any kind of request. I look forward to speaking with you again. I appreciate your support. Signature, identify yourself by name and any other information relevant to this email. Most email forms have signatures available that you can automatically add. Some people put quotes and emojis and things like that on them. Whatever. I'm attached one of my recent emails that came the week before classes started. I had received an email from Josh Manders here, who is our guardian angel of technology. He's the one who sets up all the Moodle programs for classes and stuff. He's in charge of a whole battalion of guardian angels that help us when things go awry. And it's okay with him for me to use his name here. He had sent me something saying that my schedule, they had me listed for 2 extra courses, which I am not teaching. And he wanted to know about it. I actually just responded to him. So that way it was very clear to him. But I've changed it a little bit here to show you what I personally did the week before classes started. Sent it to him, subject my summer courses, so that he knows exactly. He can see above the email address is A.E. He knows who it is. Notice I CC'd it to Linda Chantal, who is also okay with me using her name here. She's the scheduler for arts and sciences. He had CC'd his original one to me. You know the difference between CC and BCC? BCC is a blind copy, and nobody else sees it. But this, I wanted to make sure that Josh knew that Linda was in on it too. CC, do you know where that comes from? It's carbon copy, back in the ancient days of using carbon paper to carbon things. Some of you might remember, some might not. It makes me ancient. Anyway, this is what I said for it. Just a good morning, Josh. Oh, I guess it was morning. I'm teaching English 104, and I've included the CRN number just because I wanted all the information there, and writing 227, that's this class, with a CRN number this summer. Please remove me from all other SU Summer 2022 courses, and I don't need any courses to be backed up because he had asked me that. Notice short, sweet, to the point. 3 quick sentences. Doesn't flow well or anything, but it puts the information he needs, and Linda needs to see that he's got it. And when I said, please remove me from all other classes, I didn't want him to remove me from fall classes, so all other summer 2022 classes. Notice I'm putting in more information than he needs. I just want to be careful. I don't want to cause any more mix-ups. And then I say, thanks for your help. I was about to say, sorry for the confusion, but I'm sorry it wasn't my fault. It wasn't his either, turns out. But thanks for your help. And then it's just, I signed it Elizabeth Adelot instead of Beth, because even though I know Josh and he knows me as Beth, I don't know whether he will pass this information on to somebody else to do the necessary fixings. And I am listed officially as your instructor as Elizabeth Adelot. So I just have it like that. Anyway, have fun. I will almost always talk to you later. Bye.